Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Singh Chaudhary, a final year student of Faculty of Engineering and Technology in University of Lucknow, and I am here to give the seminar presentation on coal tar based payment seal code. Here are the contents in which I have given that introduction, what is coal tar, what is PAH, chemical constituent of coal tar, toxicological profile of coal tar, carcinogenic potential, uses of coal tar, pavement regenerators, materials used for pavement construction, impact of coal tar on environment, case study, advantages, disadvantages, conclusion and references. So now let's come on slide. Here are the introduction in which we all know that driveways and parking lots are the most common features of cities and small towns. Most people in developed countries use their much spent time on walking on pavement and other type of surface. There are differences among paved surface. However, most pavement is concrete and asphalt. The asphalt pavement of many parking lot, driveways, and even some playground in North America is sprayed or painted with black shining coating is referred to as a seal coat. Seal coat is marketed as improving pavement appearance and increasing pavement longevity. One type of common used pavement seal coat contains refined coal tar and it is potent source of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. Next, here are the pictures in which road surface is sprayed with coal tar. Next, what is coal tar? Coal tar is a thick dark liquid which is the byproduct of the production of coke and coal gas. It is a type of creosote. Creosote is a category of carbonaceous chemical which is formed by the distillation of various tar and plant derived material such as wood or fossil fuel. Coal tar is used in the surfacing of road. Coal tar was a component of first sealed road that coal is being used in the first ingredient for the manufacturing of coal tar based pavement seal coat. Coal tar is used in various fields, shampoos, soap and ointment. Coal tar is also used for manufacturing paints, synthetic dyes, photographic material. Coal tar is a mixture of 10,000 chemicals and out of which only 50% has been identified, and in that chemical compounds polyaromatic hydrocarbon is present in highly constituent. Next, coal. There are the different forms of the coal: solid, liquid and gas. In the solid form, coal is present in the form of coke. In the liquid form, coal is present in the coal tar. In gas, it is been present in the coal gas. Coke, it is used for making iron and other metals. Coal tar, it is used to make dyes, drugs, perfumes. Coal gas, it is used as a fuel in the industries. Next, what is polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons? Generally, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons is a large group of organic compound which consist of two or more than two fused benzene rings arranged in various configuration. It is occurred naturally in nature like coal and petroleum. It is being formed by the incomplete combustion of organic material like fossil fuel, wood, cigarette. Several of PAH and some specific mixture of PAH are considered to be cancer causing chemicals. PAH has many urban sources including used motor oil, automobile, exhaust, industrial atmospheric emission, tire particles, and asphalt. They also are produced when coal, oil, gas, wood, garbage, and tobacco are burned. Next, here are the structure of PAH. pH structure are of two types, which in which first is when there are more than one internal carbon anode, and second when there is no internal carbon vertices. In the more than one carbon anode, examples are pyroline, anthracene, benzopyrene, and many more. In the second one, we have naphthalene, panthophene, pentacene, chrysene, etc. Next, here we have discussed about chemical constituent of coal tar. As coal tar is a mixed compound, and here in the mixed compound, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon is primarily composed. It consists of following compound: anthracene, fluorine, pyridine, and many more. Now come to next slide. Toxicological profile of coal tar. Coal tar creosote, and coal tar pitch, they all consist of high concentration of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons and phenols and creosols. As we know that many of these chemicals considered to be cause human health effect according to the Agency of Toxic Substance and Disease Registry, that these chemicals are very harmful for the human health. Coal tar is considered to be a human carcinogenic. Human carcinogenic is a cancer causing compound which has been present in the coal tar for the humans. It also produces tumor induction which is being caused by inhalation, oral and thermal exposure routes. Animal testing suggests that coal tar can produce development toxicity, and it is very harmful for the humans and animals both. Next, carcinogenic potential of POH in coal tar, that anthracene consists animal carcinogenic and human carcinogenic. Pyrene consists of animal carcinogenic and human carcinogenic. Fluoranthicene consists of possibly human carcinogenic, and anthracene consists of all animal carcinogenic, human carcinogenic, and probable human carcinogenic. Next, What is the use of coal tar? Coal tar is primarily for the production of refined chemicals and coal tar products. It is being used for the production of coal tar pitch. As we know that coal tar is a mixture of different carbon compounds that can be used for make soaps, fats, dyes, plastic perfumes, drugs, pesticides and explosive. It has other utilization. It can be used for making insecticides and pesticides. Coal tar base seal coats contains water, clay, emulsifier and a binder of asphalt, coal tar pitch and cut black oil. It can be used as anti-itch treatment for psoriasis and similar skin condition as well as bonding agent in many of these products. Next, pavement regenerators. Pavement regenerators are similar to seal coats. Pavement regenerators are utilized in attempt to lengthen the lifetime of pavement as it is being used to increase the serviceability and working period of the road. Here we can see that how pavement regenerators is being done on the road. Next, material is being used for the pavement constructions. Soil. As we know that soil is the most basic requirement for the making of pavement and it is been underlying properties of the soil can bear the all incoming load. Second material is granule material. It is a unbound material with relatively large particle size and include natural gravel crushed rock. The third material, bitumen bound material. Material that are bound together with bitumen are called as bituminous material. Bituminous material are dark brown or black semi-solid liquid. The fourth material is being used hydraulically bound material. It is the mixture of aggregate and hydraulic bounder. Possibly bounder include include cement, fly ash, lime, ground and granulated slag. Next, impact of coal tar on environment. After the application of the coal tar on the road, what will be the possible impact of coal tar on the environment? Here are the some impacts. Runoff from the coal tar seal coat pavement contains high concentration of toxic substance called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. As we know that PAH are harmful to human life and it also harmful to the aquatic life when it's make its way to the river, lakes, stream or ponds by the way of rain. Even more concerning is that coal tar based sealant abraded over time and it is been become the part of the dust and which is being dispersed by the wind, rain, car, tire and even your foot in the surrounding areas. Coal tar base seal coating releases more PAH in a year than annual vehicle emission of PAH. Next, In this figure, I have shown that how seal coat move in the environment by different mechanisms like adhesion, runoff, wind, tracking, volatilization, sealants. Next, case study. This case study is being done by the US Geographical Survey USGS and it is being done in Austin. Under this case study, coal tar is spread on the surface of the parking lots and in the children's playground by the help of spraying equipment. This case study has identified that coal tar based seal coat as a major source of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon contamination in urban areas for large part of nation. Several PAH are suspected as human carcinogenic and are also toxic to aquatic life. Dust from the pavement with coal tar based seal coat has greatly elevated PAH concentration compared to dust from unsealed pavement. Here are the total PAH emission during drying. In this, they have used the seal coat is 85 million gallon and the area covered by them is 440 kilometer square. Total PAH emission during drying is 2.5 gram per meter square. Total PAH emission per year is 1000 mg and the pH emission by the vehicles in 2010 survey is been 840 mg. Here is been shown that pH emission by the coal tar seal coats is more than the pH emission by the vehicles. Here are the example that how coal tar is being sprayed on the parking lots and on the children's playground. Next, what are the advantages? Coal tar seal coat is a hard durable film and deep dark color which enhances the property of the road. It also increases the fuel resistance and it also provides the good aesthetic appearance of the road. It looks shiny of the road. Here we can see that shining appearance of the paved surface and it provides a good aesthetic appearance and it been looking good condition of the road and it also increase the fuel resistant. Next, disadvantages. Here are the disadvantages that seal coat contains high level of toxic chemicals that can cause cancer and environmental harm. PAH released by the pavement coating can also cause cancer, birth defect and death in the fish, insects and other organisms. According to a US survey, PAH from the coal tar based seal coat contaminated house dust. House dust is an important pathway for human exposure to many contaminants including PAH. Runoff from the coal tar seal coated pavement is acutely toxic to aquatic biota. Here are the figures being shown that effect of coal tar, that how smoke is being spread in the environment and also figures show that how the effect of the coal tar on aquatic biota. Next, conclusion. What are the conclusion after the application of coal tar seal coat? Coal tar seal coat products, they have extremely high concentration of PAH and are classified as human carcinogens. Dust from coal tar based pavement seal coat affect the local environment. The soil get affected by the coal tar based pavement sealants. Next, here are the references given by different scientists. Next, thank you.